Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how to bake chicken perfectly every time? Well, I'm going to show you how, so let's get started. Thanks again for tuning in. Feel free to leave any comments down below for me and subscribe to my channel for any future videos related to travel, adventure, cooking, and of course eating. And honestly, I haven't quite figured out what the rest of the vlog's going to be about, but again, subscribe and you'll find out. Alright, so to get started, you're just going to need your usual supplies. You'll need a pan, some foil, parchment paper, a thermometer, and of course your chicken. I have marinated this in my fridge overnight, but it is not necessary to marinate the chicken as it will still turn out perfect. The trick to this is to use the parchment paper. This will act as a skin over the skinless, boneless chicken breast. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through my steps here. First step is you want to go ahead and line your pan with foil. This is optional though, as some people do not like their food on top of foil when it's cooking. Then you'll go ahead and put your chicken onto your pan and you will cover it completely with the parchment paper. You want to make sure that the entire top side of the chicken is covered with the paper, as again, it's acting as its skin. Then I'll go ahead and scrunch up the corners with the foil and the parchment paper. That will help keep the parchment paper in place while it's cooking in the oven. Once that's all set, you'll go ahead and place your pan into the oven and cook it for 30 minutes. Now that it's done, we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes so that the juices can settle. All right, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. Have a great day.